The Impact Boat Club.
Y'all delivering snacks on the boat too.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hey, look here. We back on the water again. It's Saturday. We got Alex on the left seat.
What's going on, everybody? Good morning.
And we got JC Raider.
You already know.
Stand up and show that shirt.
We're ready to go, baby. Ready to go get them.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Got the Catfish King and crew just waiting on some action. We'll be back at you
after these messages.
Catch me in the kitchen. They like, what you whipping? Catfish from the aquaquarium, you know that I be fishing. Yeah. I just dropped the bait, know the catfish on the way. Aquaquarium to the crease and then drop them on the plate.
Up early in the morning by the break of dawn.
Oh, y'all know we getting up early now.
Y'all better get it up, cause I'm ready to have some fun.
Wake up! Oh, we gon' have a fine at any time now.
I'm the Catfish King of the aquaquarium.
The king now.
Boats hooked up. Rides on the boat. We're gonna have some fun.
Oh, yeah.
It's a pool, baby. I'm the Catfish King of the aquaquarium. So we making music, y'all.
Oh, fish on another one.
Fish on, doubling up.
Get it. Oh, hold on. Did you hit it? Oh, hold on. Did you hit it again or you just let it go?
Fish on, baby. Woo, we got a double header. Doubled up, ladies and gentlemen. We done doubled up. I think I might have a boat flipper. Oh, flipper.
That's a nice one, JC. It's a real nice one.
I'm bringing this in to the right beside it. Oh, yeah.
I beat you. I beat you. I beat you.
Yeah, you did. Come on, sir.
Well, you ain't gotta de-hook him. He out.
That means I barely had. I got mine off the hook first.
Don't count.
Yeah.
That's a good one right there.
That's eaters.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah. That was a quick double up.
That loose, boy.
Tell him, let it go, let it go. It's about the same size.
Yeah. I take it. Get the skunk off the boat.
Little squeakers.
Yep.
That was good. Some good sandwiches.
All right, y'all. Now you see them. Now you don't. Peace. Back out there. Over the shoulder. Cast. That's how you cast. Booyah! Let me hit him in the mouth. I think that's that one that was messing around. Look, put it out. He ain't on there. Nah. Oh, yes, he is. He had me fooled. Another boat flipper. There he is, right there, coming up. Ah. Yes, sir, Bob. I'm in a bed of smaller ones. Those are, though, the exact size that you want to eat. Real lean, not a lot of fat. That's a good bite. He like that chicken. Now that I have a comfortable lead, give him that Philly push. in the box. All right, y'all. Fish probably been on there for a good 10, 15 minutes here since John said something hit it. I thought it was nothing. It was a sleeper. Bringing him in. Watch out there now. I'm gonna throw him back. We got enough small ones. He's small. It is if you ain't cleaning. He going back. Gotta know. It's gonna be a boat flipper. That fight ain't hard at all. But that could change my mind. He could gain a pound or two on the way in. Ain't showed that head yet, but it's coming toward the boat. There it is. It's the biggest one for the day. Yep.
Get the net?
Nah. Still a boat flipper, but about 7 pounds. 7 pounds of flipping. Ooh. And I barely had him, y'all. Barely had him. I'm gonna disconnect that hook. As y'all can see, I barely had that fish. Told you. That's a nice one. Yep, yep.
All right, JC. Yeah, good one. Putting up a good little fight.
There he is. Came to the top of the water. Doubling up.
Little boat flipper.
Boat flipper. Nice little boat flipper. That's good. He barely got 2 rods out. What JC got up there? Got up there, JC. He's bringing him up. Boat flipper. Hit him up, baby.
That's a pretty fish.
Ain't it though?
It's a nice little one.
Smell it. Make sure it don't smell like DC.
A little sandwich.
Sandwich.
Why are you waving
That's
at me?
speckled. Yeah, that's speckled.
Why are you waving at me? You trying to say hi to the folks out there?
Hey,
All
happy
right.
Father's Day.
You waving.
All right, you going in with your friends.
Happy Father's Day, gentlemen. We'll let them go later.
JC's making his way to the deposit box. Good catch. Double up.
Number 2.
That's a nice one.
Yep. Oh, he done swallowed it. There you go.
Yeah. Good catch.
You like that carp, don't you?
Call it.
Fish on, baby. Hey, you got a little bit of fight to him.
He's still reeling. That was out there. All right. right, let's see what he got. All right, so oh, fry. Boat flipping, baby, boat flipping. That's that eel.
Talk to me. That's what I'm talking about right there. Took him a minute to find it, but he found it. Didn't waste no time on it.
Oh, and that eel, that makes two pieces, two fish that eel done caught.
Yup.
Fish on, people. JC got one up front, I got one back here. Oh. It's a small one, because other than that, he's swimming forward, or I missed it. No, I definitely didn't miss it. It's a nice one. All eaters. Coming in the boat, babe. That's a sandwich. That's a sandwich. That's too small to clean. Them the dangerous ones too. That's a itty bitty. He's part of the itty bitty catfish committee. So he get to go back swimming. I can count him though. He's going back. JC Raider caught a clam. So we're gonna put that clam on the line as bait and see if it'll catch anything. So it's a nice size one. So it ought to have some good meat in it. We're gonna try it out. Next clip. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's what's on the inside of that clam shell.
That's muscle.
That's straight up meat.
Put one of them on the noodle. Yeah.
That's straight up. Yeah, not for me though. I probably didn't feel him cause
Oh, hurry up, get him in, because we got another speeder. Oh, yeah.
there he is, y'all. That was a sleeper. Didn't know he was on. We was real enough to go back in. Well, he's in the boat now. That makes 6 today. Another 7 or 8 pounder. This here might weigh 8, a good solid 8. Yep. What do you say? Eyes right.
Hold on, here come the waves. Hopefully it won't be too bad this time.
These people want to speed by and get so close to the boat that it's ridiculous. But sometimes you got idiots on the water. We just had 2 idiots prove that point 100%. Peace. Well, come on the boat, man.
Yes, sir.
Come on and get on the boat. This Big Mike from Trek.
Right.
Oh, y'all been.
What's
y'all-
going
y'all
on?
already been at
JC
it, huh?
Raider.
Yeah, we've been out
Y'all
there
can take
first
y'all
thing
empty
this
bucket
morning.
back.
Good morning.
My brother.
All right, all right.
What you got in
Well,
there?
Walker, he's back.
I see one.
We got
I
about
see
8.
2. I see 2.
Oh, you got
3,
about
4,
8 in
5,
there?
6, 7, 8.
Yeah,
6, 7,
yeah,
8.
yeah. Make room for he can get on here.
My eyes are blind then. Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Just a little bit.
What, crack?
Yes,
That's
sir.
what I'm saying.
Yes, sir. Come on back. Slide around there for him. Have a seat, have a seat. Welcome aboard.
All right.
This is the first time I had Mike on the boat, so I like that.
They said he about to come around. You gonna go? I said, you know what? It's time.
It is. You need to get on here with your son.
Yeah, he playing football now.
So
So
I can understand that, but one of them days.
yeah. How long y'all been out on the water?
It's since about 7:30, 8 o'clock. Finally got out
I'm looking for
there.
you.
All up and down the Occoquan. You need some fishing poles attached to that.
some poles.
We'll catch you in a minute.
Hey, let me ride back with you. Come here.
I said, bring the boat.
We just bringing them back in, you know.
The Impact Boat Club.
Huh?
Y'all delivering snacks on the boat too.
Hey, I see you.
What's up, boy? All right now.
We're gonna put together a fishing competition, man.
All right.
All right.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. I'm gonna stop at Giant
There's a
first.
lot of them out there.
Catch me in the kitchen. They like
You do.
whipping catfish from the
All right,
Aquaquan,
ladies
you
and
know that I
gentlemen.
be fishing. I
It
just
was
dropped the
Father's
bait,
Day.
know the catfish on the way.
So,
Aquaquan to the
Me,
grease and
JC
then
Raider,
drop
and
on
Alex,
the
we went out first thing this morning. We caught 10, it was 10 total. And it was a good day, but the wind started blowing. Had to come out from out there. But hey, look, it was fun. It was real. And we'll holler at y'all later. Peace. And we out. So we making music, y'all.